Alright, I'm joined by Shantanu from Vision Factory Jaipur, all the way from Jaipur. Sir, I would just love to know how was your experience this year at ZEISS You&EYE Awards?
So, talking about the experience at ZEISS You&EYE Awards, it's always great. The platform which this award gives is huge. Being an optician, there's no other platform, which actually recognizes you for all the efforts you do. Last year also we won an award. We were the Rising Star Award. We won that, and this time for the prize for getting we got the award for the best product portfolio. And this is actually great, and it really helps. I feel when the customers get to know that this optician has won an award, they even trust you more, even though they are already trusting, but their conviction grows stronger, and we also feel more motivated for all the hard work and the passion with which we work. So it's really rewarding, and it's very satisfying, I would say. So the experience was great and I loved it. Great job to ZEISS and You&EYE for conducting this award, and appreciating all the good work done by the opticians.